This tutorial provides an overview of causation and contributory negligence. Once a claimant has established that he was owed a duty of care by the defendant and that there has been a breach of that duty, the claimant must establish that the breach was causative of some damage or loss suffered by the claimant. In addition, the damage or loss must not be too remote. The but-for test. In determining whether the defendant's breach of duty was causative of the damage or loss suffered by the claimant, the court will generally apply the but-for test, the burden being on the claimant to prove that the damage or loss would not have been suffered but for the defendant's breach of duty. It follows that the defendant will not be liable if the damage or loss would have been suffered by the claimant regardless of the defendant's breach of duty. In Barnett, for example, a man attended hospital complaining of vomiting. The doctor refused to examine him and the man was sent away without treatment. He died 5 hours later from arsenic poisoning. The court held that the defendant was not liable, as although negligent, its negligence had not caused the man's death. He would have died even if he had received treatment. It may be that the damage or loss resulted from multiple sources, in which case the burden is on the claimant to prove that the defendant's negligence was the material or probable cause. In complicated cases where it is difficult to ascertain the precise cause of the damage or loss, the court may be willing to simply draw an inference that the defendant's negligence caused a material increase in the risk to which the claimant was exposed.